this short video, you will see how art is just like a river that connects people of all different ages and all different cultural backgrounds. And I love that when children are so focused like adults, and adults can be instantly silly or childish under the light and the shadows of the river dragon. You will see in the later part of this video. This is a template that I made.
Now you're in it.
So that when
No,
I'm not there, people or children, adults can still participate and make work collectively. This year is the year of the dragon, and in Chinese ancient mythology, dragon resides in major rivers. If we respect the dragon, they can benefit us, bring rain and prosperity. Without respect, they can bring flood, hurricanes, and destructions. So this is really a river dragon art, a work that brings river and art as one for the year of the dragon. So you see, this is the Cambridge River Festival, and I have to thank for the support from Cambridge Arts Council again to engage the public. Such a beautiful day. You can see how I enjoy making art together with people. It's so rewarding. So I truly believe that art, nature, culture, and technology should be integrated to bring harmony, balance within each individual and between or among groups and communities, and also between us and the natural world, which is really all one. We and every other being are all connected or interconnected. Thank you all.